Hello guys, it's 6 a.m. in the morning. I don't basically drink tea, so I'm drinking warm water. Warm water is good for health. It's 10 a.m. in the morning now. Right now I'm going to cut my hair, so we'll catch you after that. Hello guys, so I'm done with cutting my hair. Other times I usually cut my hair myself, but since my cousin brother, he said he wanted to practice with the machine, so I let him practice on my head. So right now I'm going to take washes, and we'll get back to you guys after I take washes. Hello guys, I'm done with taking washes. The game plan as of now is we are planning to go and get some bamboos. This lockdown, my wife, my mom and I, we decided to start a small project, that is poultry farming. So we have already constructed the house for the chicks, and now we are constructing the fence, but we still need some more bamboos in order to complete the fence. So we'll be going to the jungle to cut the bamboos. So after we reach the jungle, I'll catch you. So we are here right now at Angola Garden. This place, this area, this turning area is known as Angola Garden. It was during the time of when my parents, my mom and dad, they were small. So there was an old lady by the name Angola. So what she did was, she used to go down there. There's an orange farm there. Basically, there was an orange farm there. Right now, I don't think there's that farm anymore. So what she did was, she would go and pluck the oranges from there, and she would come here and sell it over here. So this place, from then on, it came to be known as Angola Garden. So we used to identify this place by calling it Angola Garden. So we are cutting the bamboos from here. My cousin brother and Krishna, they are on top of there. They are cutting the bamboos. I'm not going up over there since the bushes are really thick and I'm not wearing shoes, and I'm really scared of going inside the these bushes. So I'm down here. I'm waiting for them to throw down the bamboo, so I'll be carrying to the vehicle. So that's an update. I think they're finished cutting the bamboos now. So they're throwing it down. So I'll be carrying it. My duty is to carry it to the vehicle. So let me carry. Bamboos in these short pieces according to the size of the fence, and moreover we are going to carry it by gypsy. So to make it easier for us to carry it in the gypsy, cut the bamboos into this like this. It's tiring. So we are done with cutting and slashing the bamboos. Right now we are going to have tea. After tea, we'll be loading those bamboos in the vehicle to which we'll be heading. Chalo, let's drink tea. So we are done with loading the bamboos in gypsy. Now we are going to head home. After we reach home, I'll let you know what we are going to do next. So we have reached home and now we are unloading the bamboos. Here's an update. So these are the bamboos that we brought from the jungle a few hours back, and this is the place where we are planning to rear the chicken. And the fence that I was talking earlier, we completed fencing up half of the area, and there's still a few areas that need to be covered. So since we ran out of bamboos earlier, so we had to go and get those bamboos, and with those bamboos we'll be covering up this area. Yes, the shed that we built over here, we used old CGI sheets. We try to make it as budget friendly as possible. So we use CGI sheets from an old dismantled building that we built a few years back. So this is the chicken house. This is the place. There are a few things left to be done. So we'll be keeping the chicken here. It's 5 in the evening, so that was how I spent my day today. This morning I woke up, cut my hair, and went for cutting bamboos, came back, and after a while I'll be taking bath, after which I'll be having food. So this will be the end of the vlog for today. We'll catch up in the next vlog. See you.